Hello and welcome to this tutorial video about the Hera software. Today I'll be showing you how to download, install the game and how to create an account. The first thing you'll need to do is go at this URL, heraproject.eu, and once you're in the website you can go into the game tab and click on Get the Game here. This will prompt a window for download. The download will take a tiny bit of time because it's 320 mega download. So depending on your internet connection, that might take a while. Here you can see the file which is getting downloaded. And now it's here. I will extract it in the same folder, but please extract it wherever you want. When I'm entering this folder, I can see I have a hera.exe file. Let's click on it to start the game. Game has started, and we can see immediately that we can change the language. We have 6 languages available. And at the bottom right, we have a main menu in which I can change the SFX sound effect volume, the volume of the music, or the overall volume of sound in the game. I can also exit the game if I want to, and here change the graphical quality in order to have a more or less frame per second in my game. If I want to check how many frame per second I have, I can just click on this FPS button and 3 figures will appear on the top right of the screen. The topmost figure is the highest number of FPS I'm getting. The medium figure is the average number of FPS I'm getting. And the lowest one is the lowest number of FPS I'm getting. Right now the game is capped at 100 FPS maximum. I can also click on credits to see a screen presenting who has worked on the game. Now if I want to start the game, I need to authenticate first. If I do not have an account, I will need to create one. So I click on create an account here, and I will need to enter a username. So let's create an example student account. Entering a first name or the last name is optional, so I can pass it, but you definitely have the choice of entering whatever you want. If I'm a teacher, I will be given a special code and I will need to enter it here so the software recognizes I have teacher rights. Here I can just click on register and I will have created an account. I can now click on authenticate and enter the account credentials I just created, sign in, and I now can start the game. Thank you for your attention.